Welcome to the Viper Premium Plagiarism Checker, which helps you to check for plagiarism and duplicate content in your work. Using a range of powerful features, Viper provides a simple, fast, and cost-effective plagiarism scanning solution that is available to anyone. Accessible across all your devices, we've designed an easy-to-use interface which makes checking your work for plagiarism as simple as possible. Once registration is complete, you can purchase as many credits as you wish before you start scanning. Just choose the bundle that suits you. Each credit covers up to 5,000 words, and enter your payment details to complete your purchase. Credits are pay-as-you-go, so you only pay for the credits you need to scan your documents. No complicated subscriptions, just clear and transparent pricing. Once you are ready to get started, simply upload or drag and drop your files, select your subject, and then start scanning. Viper will check your work against more than 10 billion sources across the internet, identifying matching content to books, journals, and websites all over the world. You'll receive a full plagiarism report designed to show you the overall percentage of plagiarism within your work, plus a breakdown of each specific match, including a direct link showing where the plagiarized text came from. Who knew scanning your work for plagiarism could be as simple as this? With an elegant interface, speedy scanning, and easy-to-understand plagiarism reports, Viper will help you make sure your work is ready for submission. So why not try Viper today?